Imagine buying a tank full of fuel and then throwing it all away.
And that's exactly how buildings, factories, and data centers use energy today. And here's the shocking part: almost everything we power eventually turns into heat, and we throw it away.
But we all feel it. Higher energy prices, tighter margins, and the pressure to decarbonize. But here's the contradiction. Energy has never been more expensive, yet we waste up to 50% of it as heat. Not because we don't care, not because the technology doesn't exist, but because our systems were created to consume energy and not recover it.
So we keep asking the same question: how do we generate more clean energy? However, that's the wrong question. The real question is, what if the cleanest power source is the one that we already paid for? That waste heat isn't a problem, but a hidden power plant waiting to be switched on.
Our solution does exactly that. We retrofit energy-intensive facilities with modular waste heat recovery systems that are with proven technologies but combined in a smarter way. Think of it like this. If a building were a body, the waste heat would be our body heat escaping through our skin. We don't create new energy, we trap the warmth and put it back to work.
First, we capture waste heat from HVAC exhausts, several cooling loops, and industrial processes without interrupting operations. Then, by using thermoelectric generators, we convert low-grade heat into electricity. At the same time, advanced heat pumps upgrade this heat into usable heat or reduce cooling demands. Finally, a smart controller decides where this recovered energy delivers the best value, powering systems, cutting peak loads, or tracking emissions and savings in real time.
No physics, no disruptions. Only the energy that we were losing, now reused. The result is powerful. In already heat-dense places like hospitals, data centers, malls, cold storage, and industrial plants, we recovered 8 to 15% of the previously wasted heat energy. That means lower electricity and cooling costs, emissions reduced by up to 30% per site. Payback is up in 2 to 4 years and it removes the biggest barrier of all. We deploy this as energy as a service. No upfront cost. We install, operate, and maintain the system. Clients pay from the savings that we generate. And if there are no savings, we don't get paid.
This works 24/7. It does not need sunlight or wind, and it scales building by building, city by city. We don't need more energy. We need to stop wasting the energy we already burn. Let's turn waste into watts, building into power plants, and make sustainability finally make business sense.
Because the future of clean energy isn't about creating more, it's about wasting less. Thank you.